Track 19. Michelle and her cousin Jason are talking about their lunch. Listen carefully and answer question 1. You have 10 seconds to study the question. Listen carefully. The conversation will begin now. Jason, do you want to go to a fast food restaurant for lunch?
Fast food again?
Yes, fast food.
We had it 3 times this week.
Track 20. Billy's mum is asking Billy about his homework. Listen carefully and answer questions 2 and 3. You have 20 seconds to study the questions. Listen carefully. The conversation will begin now. Have you done your homework yet, Billy?
Let me finish this game first.
It's already 9 p.m. You've played computer games for more than 2 hours.
Okay, I'll do it soon.
Track 21. Chris is talking with his mum about their Christmas holiday. Listen carefully and answer questions 4 and 5. You have 20 seconds to study the questions. Listen carefully. The conversation will begin now.
Chris, let's spend our Christmas holiday in Korea.
Can we go somewhere else?
Why?
I can't stand the cold weather. It's so cold there.